I have a vine that's taking over areas in my backyard. What is this and how do I get rid of it? It's Lisa in Rossville, Tennessee. We know what that vine is, don't we? I think a lot of people might know what that vine is.
Yeah, Vinca minor.
Vinca minor.
And it's a ground cover. I mean, it's probably was planted originally to blanket the area, and obviously it has. She doesn't like it, and she's gonna have to get rid of it.
Yeah, it can get away from you pretty quick, though.
Because rhizomes and stolons, it just attaches real quickly, and roots. If she wants to get rid of it, I would suggest it's a hardy vine, and it's very aggressive. So the best thing to do is like to cut it or weed eat it down, and when the new shoots start coming up, hit it with a glyphosate or some non-selective.
Glyphosate, you can use Triclopyr is something else you can use because it is woody. So Triclopyr works better or works best on woody, type plants. So that's what I would recommend doing. Read and follow the label on that. Because otherwise, I don't know of any other way.
Dig it up?
Yeah, except digging it up that you can possibly get rid of it because it will take over. It will run on you pretty quick.
It's a nice, hardy ground cover.
That it is, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.